Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. This is MathSec. We are back with another video, SimpleCTF from TryHackMe. In this room, we will start finding open ports through Nmap scan. Next, we will enumerate and exploit an SQL injection vulnerability in the web application to retrieve an hash. We will crack this hash using Hashcat, which will give us an initial foothold with the credentials. Finally, we will elevate our privileges using sudo l command to identify that we can exploit the vim binary to gain root access. But before we jump into video, I just want to say big thank you for all of you who have been watching and supporting my channel. If you are new here and enjoy the content, please consider subscribing. Your support helps me to create more tutorials and walkthrough like this one. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will never miss my update. Let's get started. First, let me start my OpenVPN. We have connected successfully. Next, we'll start with our Nmap scan, which is Nmap SC for default scripts, SV to enumerate version, T4 to speed up the scans, and IPs over here. We'll paste it here, and then ON to save the output as normal. We're gonna save this file as initial. In the meantime, what we can do is we'll just copy this IP and check for whether there is any website hosted on this server. We have an Apache to Ubuntu default page, so don't think I couldn't see any other things here. So what we're going to do is just gonna copy this. Just gonna find the hidden directories using Feroxbuster 2. Feroxbuster U for URL. We're gonna paste this, and the word list will be user share wordless buster, and the word list will be directory list 2.3 medium.txt, and enter. So in the meantime, we can check for Nmap scan results. So as we can see, the port 21 FTP is open, and also it has an anonymous login. You can see here, and 80 HTTP is open, and 2222, which is SSH. So what we can do, we'll first try to log in this FTP and check whether we have anything interesting over there. FTP, the IP would be this. Let's copy this, paste it over here. We don't need that slash. Enter. So anonymous. We have connected successfully. So then ls. So what's happening here is entering extended passive mode. So we don't need that. So what we're gonna do, Control C and passive off. Now the passive mode is turned off. So what we're gonna do now, ls cd pub, and then we have for mitch.txt. So I think this text file is for Mitch, who's the user. We can get that for mitch.txt. So it has downloaded successfully. We don't have any other files in here. What we can do, we'll exit this. We will get this for mitch.txt. So it says like, damn it man, so you are the worst dev I've ever seen. So you set the same password for system user and the password is so weak. I cracked it in seconds. Gosh, what a mess. So that means the password is too weak to crack. What we can do, we will check the Feroxbuster. There is lots of thing. I didn't exclude the 400 errors, so there is lots of results. So if we see here, there is simple directory. So we will try to visit that. At last we got the website loaded. So if you see below, there is CMS made simple version 2.2.8. So after I have tried all the ways to enumerate this version, I couldn't find anything interesting. But after I see the version here, I thought to check for the exploits. So search exploit. The CMS version is, sorry, CMS made simple. The version will be 2.2.8. So we have an SQL injections for this version. So we can examine this path so that I have a clear idea what this exploit is all about. So search exploit X and the path is this. Enter. So this is an Python script. What this script does is the simple CMS has a blind SQL injection. So this tries to brute force the using that SQL injection, the password hash and the username for us. So shall we try that? For me personally, the script didn't work. So I and also this uses a Python to so I just wanted to use Python 3. So have we'll search in GitHub whether we have something. CMS made simple 2.2.8 SQL exploit GitHub. So we have this thing. So I will attach this GitHub repository in the description so you can also check. So just copy this, copy the script, and just quit this. So mousepad, so py, and save this. Now how to execute Python 3 c.py. So u for URL, and we have to paste the URL. Just this. Just gonna paste it over here and enter. The script also does cracking, but for me the cracking doesn't work properly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna figure out the hash. I'm just gonna try to find the hash and then manually I'm gonna decode it. Okay. After a few minutes, the script has completed successfully. So it has found a password hash and it's solved. So what we can do is, as I can see, it is an MD5. So I just wanted to search for Hashcat help and grep MD5. So MD5 solved a pass which is 20. So what we can do, Hashcat mode is 20 and the hash will be this and the word list is this. What we're gonna do, we just enter. So I have already cracked this hash. So what we have to do is just type show. So the hash is the password is secret. What we can do, SSH Mitch is the username and the IP will be the IP is this. Just gonna copy this and paste it over here. I think I've copied the URL. Sorry, the port we have to mention like 222. Yes, the password is secret. We have logged in successfully. So I just wanted to import a bash using Python. So Python 3 c import pty spawn when bash and double quotes. So all good. Immediately I like to search for, first we'll look into this directory. We have the user.txt, so you can go through. Also I just like to always check for the users on home folder. So we have Mitch, so which we have access, but for Sunbath we don't have access. In that case, what we can do, we'll immediately check for our what and all binaries we have access, the sudo privilege. So we have for vim. So just go through GTFO bins, which is a great resource to check for the binaries to bypass the security. So just type vim and click sudo. If you see here, there is a command. So just copy this and paste it over here. So basically what this command does is it runs sudo vim, and this C tag will execute the command after opening a vim immediately. So it will create a new shell with root access. So just enter. Now ID. Now we are root. We have successfully rooted this mission. So now we'll just try to import Python 3 C import pty on when bash and enter. Now just clearing the screen, id root and cd root ls. We have the root.txt. So this is how we have to crack this machine. This is an easy way. If you like this video, please subscribe and share to your friends and support us, guys. Thank you. Have a great day.